Hey guys, sorry for not posting a video last week. We had a very busy 4th of July, and here in Clark County we've been actually experiencing some earthquakes. I think I feel another one. Whoa! 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 Oh, hey Tim. Nothing's going on. I just started the video without you.
As we mentioned 2 weeks ago, there's a tool that every pool owner should own in their shed, known as a telescopic pole or the telepole.
Extendo-pole, extend!
The telepole's main function is to connect cleaning attachments and extend to hard to reach places. And there's no harder place to access than the bottom of your pool.
Wait, so you're saying I'm the only one who does it this way?
Telepoles come in a variety of materials and lengths. The standard and most affordable option are these two-piece poles made with fluted aluminum and a blue finish. Other poles with a mill or smoother finish are made with a thicker aluminum, but we'll be going over those later. Most telepoles function in this manner. First, unscrew the knob at the top, known as a locking cam, to release the inner pole. Telepoles can also be overextended to where the inner pole will come completely out of the outer pole. This usually creates a minor nuisance where the pole needs to be reset in the locking cam, but try not to go past the pole's described length. Once you've reached the desired length, you'll want to re-thread the locking cam on. The cam needs to be unfastened and refastened frequently, so you don't want to use too much force that will cause damage to it, but just enough so that the pole won't come loose when you're using it. As we mentioned before, telepoles that are sold at a higher price are made with a thicker aluminum, but provide multiple options for locking. On this pole, with the unthreaded locking cap, the inner pole can freely extend. When I turn the inner pole in either direction, it locks firmly into place. This is known as a dual lock pole.
There are also newer poles that don't have locking cams. You just push a button and it extends to a certain length. Push and pull until it locks into position.
That's right. Similar to the headrest in your car, these poles have notches that are 6 inches apart that will firmly lock into place. Thanks, buddy.
Pool guy high five?
I said not during the video. Thank you guys for checking out this week's video featuring the telepole. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. And keep your eyes posted for next week's video as well.
Yeah? And have a pool-tastic day!